Firebrand J. I remember because you were answering quite a bit in the interview questions. So I think you gave a couple of interesting answers. So good to see you here. Good morning to you. All right, Firebrand J writes, I have 6 years of gap in IT due to personal reasons, but in the last year I am learning data science. Any advice? Um, yeah, that's interesting. Um, feel free to answer in a private way or via other methods here. But it kind of depends on your background in IT. What were you doing in IT? Were you more on like on the hardware side or on the software side? And also, why data science? I'm always curious to know people's motivation for data science. Like, why did you choose to go into it? So, um, if you kind of want to think about those things, I think that's important. In my student series, I recommend the book Mastery by Robert Greene. And I keep on emphasizing that book because I always want to make sure that people are going into data science for the right reasons. So many people are motivated to go into data science because they read the great articles and the salaries and the this and that. Those aren't really great reasons to become a data scientist. Being a data scientist is not all fun and games. It can be very hard at times. And more importantly, you're kind of affecting your own like professional reputation if you're not doing something that you really enjoy, really passionate about. So that's where I would start with you. I would want to know why you want to go into data science. Make sure that you're doing it because it's something that you want to do. You're passionate, you're interested, you are going to be motivated for it because that's ultimately what will make you good, right? You're not going to outcompete somebody on Python, right? Like if you're walking into an interview saying, I'm going to get this job because I'm the greatest Python programmer, you've already lost, right? Like that's not the way to go about it. You want being a data scientist is about your creativity, about your enthusiasm, about the way you see the world, about the way you collaborate, about you being open to other perspectives, right? I mean, that's what makes good data scientists. So that's what I would say to you. I would want to kind of examine your motivations, right? It looks like you had some reasons for stepping away from the work world.